Hey everyone, in this session we are going to start our journey on the Amazon Q developer. Let's understand what is Amazon Q developer first. So it is a specific tool that is acting as your co-pilot for the work. Co-pilot as in it is going to help you in the coding, help you diagnose the error and make your things better for the use case. Now let's understand it from the perspective of a theoretical concept. So Amazon Q developer is a AI powered assistant that helps with you in AWS application. Whether you are working in AWS console or whether you are working on CLI or IDE, it is going to help you to make your life better in terms of code and getting the things done. So with the help of Amazon Q developer, you can ask about your architecture, your AWS resources, best practices, documentation support, and any more. So let's take an example. You want to know the cost usage, you can do so. You want to list your all the buckets, you can get those things from the AWS Q developer help. So when you use Amazon Q developer in your coding environment, it helps you with the software development. So as I told, when we are working on the CLI or console using the Lambda, then an ID, we can use Amazon Q developer in the coding environment. It is going to help you in making sure your software is getting developed. It is going to give you inline suggestions. It is going to help you debug and see the security parts. So it can chat about your code, complete your code, create a new code, check your code for security issues, and improve the code with updates, debugging, and optimization. So overall, it is going to act as your co-pilot for the utilization, and it has all the resources that a co-pilot can do, plus additional resources about the AWS console with the working on the resources. Now let's understand its key feature. The first key feature is chat. So using the LLM based models and NLM, so NLP, it is going to help you in understanding all the chat based options. So you can ask the question into the easy English and get the things done. It can help you with AWS service selection using CLI, documentation, best practices, and your AWS resource help. So you can chat normally to the AWS Amazon Q developer and get your things resolved. It is going to ask you for the code improvements and advices. So if you are working on a particular specific section of code, then it can help you in getting the things done. For example, Amazon Q can answer questions about your software development, improve your code, and even generate a new code. So overall, it is going to get your things achieved into the coding form. Code completion, it is going to provide you inline suggestions and in real world based on what you have already written and your comments. So what you have been doing, what your comments have been passed out into the usage. Let's say I want to get a sum calculator. So a calculator needs to be built taking two variables. So this is gonna create those things for the utilization. And the last is troubleshoot and support. It is gonna help you in understanding the errors in the AWS console and even give you support for the agents with the help of question answers. So as you can see, this is a basic UI for the Amazon Q developer. Here we have the settings in which it shows which features are enabled to the users and what they can access. Moreover, you can have the customizations available, which is going to help you in checking the security issue and the dashboard for the utilization. So this is how the basic working goes into the Amazon Q developer. So that's all from this video. Thanks a lot.